So you may have probably seen the trailer, guys, even before watching this video. So yep, it's here. The Windows 10's October 2020 update, also called as 20H2 update. Let me show you. I've already upgraded my PC with that, so you can see that. Opening WinWare. So over here you can see that Windows 10 20H2 OS build. So it is here. I just got the news that this version of Windows had released already yesterday only. So uh, I just decided to install this in my laptop, and it is so good, guys, to tell about Windows, and particularly about this version. This version is so stable than the previous version of Windows, guys, because the previous version of Windows is so laggy in my laptop, which is I'm recording right now. So because but I'm not denying that this version of Windows does also have some minor bugs in settings and the start menu like this. And yep, there are so many changes gone in this particular update, guys. This is a major update, and according to Microsoft's terms and conditions, they will release a major update for Windows 10 for every 6 months, according to Microsoft. So, and the previous version of this version is called as May 2020 update, and that update was very laggy and very slow in my laptop. Well, about my laptop is a very old laptop, not a 5 to 6 years old. This laptop is for about a 10 years old laptop, and this is the processor is Intel Core i3 second generation. My laptop model is Lenovo ThinkPad E520, and so as you can see, the Intel Core i3 is so it is so old, and also with the second generation of the processor is so much laggy. And even though the screen recording, you may notice some minor stucks and some minor things, errors while recording this video. And also, but this version of Windows is so much good, it is so fast in my laptop particularly. So today in this video we're gonna see the new features and what is new in this version of Windows. So let us get started. So guys, we are here. So the main benchmark in this is the start menu. So over here we have the styles, which is a semi-transparent look they've added in this particular update. The icons have changed a bit, and the background of these tiles will be in our accent color, and in my case I set my accent color in blue. Then in the previous update, like May 2020 update or November 2019 update, it will be in the accent color. But they have added another thing, another great idea is it is responding to our background and our theme, and it is changing its own color. And this is so minimalistic. For those who loves minimalistic, this update is a good thing. Okay, and the files icon has also changed, and the Microsoft Store icon is already changed in the May 2020 update itself. And yep, the camera and calendar icon, the Cortana, is now not a beta, it is a stable version. And also there are so many gestures going on over there. Let us see them one by one. And also, guys, and another thing is uh, they have added so many hotkeys for switching between tabs and etc. For example, they've added, but we can switch between tabs in the previous release itself, but that is not the matter. They have added switching tabs in between the edge. Let me show you. I'm just typing youtube.com, and I'm opening a new tab, and I'm entering into cyberzypher's website. And after that, I'm clicking the new tab, and I'm just clicking Facebook, typing Facebook, So over here it is getting, we have 3 tabs open right now.
1 hour later.
And YouTube is still loading. So we have opened 3 tabs, and we can switch in between tabs by not just going the top and clicking the tabs, but we can just change it by clicking Alt plus Tab. So we can have all our tabs. So as you can see, yeah, it's already there, man. We already have that, because yeah, we can, you can just click Alt plus Tab, but we have something pretty cool going on over here, and ladies and gentlemen, and that is that edge tabs. So we have 3 edge tabs on a cyberzypher's website, Facebook and YouTube. And also we have all of, I have Audacity over here, I have the recording background form, and also the float icon for app power rec. So I have everything going on over here. So this is also a new feature and a useful feature in Windows 10's 20H2 update. And the next thing is this theme. So we have so many themes. So for that, let's click personalize. Right click and personalize. So we have our background image, and let's keep it in the dark mode. So yeah, this is where you can find some minor bugs. So click that and dark. So the dark mode is also awesome, guys. Check this out. So over here you can see that these buttons are not working. So these are the minor glitches and bugs in this update, but I hope that they will fix these bugs as soon as possible. So when you click start, we have this wonderful thing going on over here. So this is amazing. And we also do have something over here. Is an amazing thing going on over this new update, that is this. We can show our accent color in, yeah, that is okay, man, it is already there, but I need to show you something new. The start menu, it is the highlight of this update. When you open the start menu, the start menu changes like this. Isn't it cool? It changes your custom color. You can just keep your custom color in the start menu, and that is amazing, guys, right? And if we just go, wait, there is a minor bug. You can see that all the icons, all the tiles background has changed, but not this icon, Adobe Premiere Pro. This tile is not changed. That is so much laggy. What do we do? And yeah, and that's the major update going on in this main update. Okay, guys. Whoa, it's still the same. Why? So let us see whether I can just fix it by switching to light mode, guys. Let's just keep it in the light mode. Okay. Yep, it is still it's still lagging. Sometimes it is working so perfect and so fast, but sometimes it is lagging a bit. Yep. Okay, so let's close the settings. And another thing in this update is the emoji keyboard, and they just said that they've added new features in that emoji keyboard. Let me open Notepad. And yep, and let's just click Windows plus the dot or the full stop key, and we will have this amazing emoji keyboard. Over here we have all these icons, signs, and we have the currency signs. We have all these, we all do also have the smiley figures, the classic smiley figures. Yup, yup, yup. Like this, like this, like this, like this. So This is amazing, guys. See? And also the another thing is in the setting. So just click the personalize and then just go to your device. So type or system info. It's called as system info. Just click that. And another thing in this update is you can download your system's info like this. You can have your PC is monitored and protected. Okay, and we have the specifications for my system over here. I have, as I said before, I have Intel Core i3 CPU with second generation with 6 GB RAM. Okay, everything's good. 64-bit operating system, and yep. So we have the systems. We have my laptop's specifications. We can copy that, and if you want to just mail it to somebody like your friend, or you can WhatsApp them like this. Control V. We have my laptop's info in Notepad, and also down here we have the Windows specifications. We have this version 20H2. So let's copy that, and we can also just paste that like this. Yep, so these are the main factors and main features in this new update. I love this update so much. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the notifications for getting notifications about my videos. And that's it. Bye.